Certainly let me provide with some insights into the United States military strength in 2024. According to the Global Firepower (GFP) Index, the United States is ranked as a top 5 global military power. In fact, it holds the number 1 position out of 145 countries considered for the annual GFP review. The nation's PWRINDX score is 0.0699, which is impressive. A score of 0.0000 is considered perfect. For 18 consecutive years, the United States has maintained its place at the top of the GFP index, surpassing global rivals like Russia and China. Quite an impressive felt. United States defense budget, $831.78 billion. External debt, $20.28 trillion. Foreign reserves, $716.15 billion. Purchasing power, $21.13 trillion. Total population, 339,665,118. Available manpower, 149,452,652. Fit for service, 123,977,768. Active personnel, 1,328,000. Reserve personnel, 799,500. Main battle tanks. The M1 Abrams remains the backbone of the U.S. Army's armored forces. Approximately 5,000 M1 Abrams tanks are actively in use, with an additional 3,600 stored. The M1A2 Abrams variant features advanced technology, including improved armor, fire control systems, and mobility. 1410 Rocket Artillery. The High Mobility Artillery Rocket System HIMARS is a truck-mounted, mobile rocket launcher. It can carry up to 6 missiles at a time. During exercises in the Philippines, the U.S. Army demonstrated HIMARS ability to be rapidly deployed via various means, including air transport and amphibious hovercraft. 1593 Self-propelled artillery. The U.S. Army is planning a competition to select a new self-propelled howitzer after canceling the Extended Range Cannon Artillery (ERCA) program. Companies like Base Systems propose solutions such as the M109-52 prototype, integrating the Rheinmetall L52 main gun onto an M109A7 howitzer. 2,800 towed artillery. General James Rainey, head of Army Futures Command, believes that towed artillery has reached the end of its effectiveness. The focus is shifting toward more mobile, indirect fires for lighter formations, especially in the face of threats like China. The Army is interested in autonomous and robotic cannons and is exploring options beyond traditional towed howitzers to the power of 8. 5. Long-range mortars. The Army is working on extending the range and lethality of its mortar systems, 60 mm, 81 mm, and 120 mm. Efforts parallel the development of longer-range howitzer rounds. 6. Future trends. The Army is considering wheeled howitzers for greater mobility, inspired by systems used in Ukraine, e.g., France's Caesar, Sweden's Archer, and domestically produced 2S-22 Bodano. The desire for a better armored howitzer capable of hitting targets up to 70 kilometers away remains a priority to the power of 4. Air power. The U.S. possesses advanced war-making aerial systems, excluding trainers and drones. United States Air Force. The USAF is a critical component of the U.S. Department of Defense. It conducts independent air operations, provides air support for land and naval forces, and aids in troop recovery. As of 2020, the USAF operates approximately 5,500 military aircraft. F-35A Lightning II fighter. The F-35A is the Air Force's leading strike fighter. It's also used by the U.S. Navy, Marine Corps, and 17 other nations. The program aims for an eventual fleet of 1,763 F-35As. Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD). The NGAD is the Air Force's sixth-generation air superiority fighter, planned to dominate the skies for decades. It will conduct counter-air missions, air-to-air strikes, and ground-based attacks. NGAD will operate alongside Unmanned Collaborative Combat Aircraft (CCAs) or Royal Wingman platforms. The program remains classified, but it's expected to be a game-changer, offering advanced capabilities and air superiority. The Air Force plans to procure around 200 NGAD fighters initially, along with 1,000 unmanned CCAs. Aircraft strength. The United States has a total of 13,209 aircraft, which is the highest among all nations. Specifically, 1,854 fighter aircraft, 896 attack aircraft, 957 fixed-wing transport aircraft, 2,648 trainers, 695 special mission aircraft, 606 tankers, 5,737 helicopters, 1,000 attack helicopters. The United States Navy is a formidable force. Let's break down their strength. Personnel strength. The U.S. Navy estimates a total year-end strength of 347,000 personnel. This includes 10 admirals and 32 vice admirals serving in the Navy. Navy fleet strength 472. The U.S. Navy boasts a powerful fleet of warships and submarines. Let's explore the United States Navy's strength across various ship types in 2024. Aircraft carriers. The U.S. Navy leads the world with 11 aircraft carriers. These carriers serve as mobile airbases, projecting power across the seas and supporting various operations. Helicopter carriers, helo-carriers. The U.S. Navy also operates 9 helicopter carriers, which provide a unique capability at sea. Helicopter carriers are versatile warships that can carry helicopters for anti-submarine warfare, search and rescue, and other missions. 75 destroyers. The U.S. Navy has a substantial fleet of destroyers, including Arleigh Burke-class guided missile destroyers. These ships are equipped with advanced radar systems, missile launchers, and anti-aircraft capabilities. Frigates and corvettes. 23. The U.S. Navy's frigates and corvettes play essential roles in coastal defense and anti-submarine warfare. While the U.S. Navy primarily focuses on larger vessels, these smaller ships contribute to overall naval strength. Submarines. 64. The U.S. Navy operates both nuclear-powered and diesel-electric submarines. These stealthy vessels are crucial for intelligence gathering, anti-ship warfare, and strategic deterrence. 5 patrol vessels. Patrol vessels, including littoral combat ships, LCS, enhance maritime security in coastal regions. The U.S. Navy deploys these ships for surveillance, mine countermeasures, and anti-piracy operations. Mine warfare vessels. 8. The U.S. Navy maintains mine countermeasure vessels to detect and neutralize sea mines. These specialized ships play a vital role in ensuring safe navigation and protecting naval assets.